Hello guys, Silver Butterflies here. Today I will show you scents for beginning of autumn. It's still warm autumn. It's not nasty cold or bad weather. It's still warm outside, the sun is shining, but it's a little dimmer than usual. And this is what I chosen. Vanilla Fields. It smells like vanilla and lacquered box. It's very autumny. It's like at the same time I used it in summer, but now it's perfect time for it. It's actually much better in September than in August or July. So another one I used in summer but recommend you now. It's the flower of acacia. So light flower and it's so distinct flower. Try to find it, House of SILLAGE, and I think it's number 8. So here is Secret Escape, Shea FRESIA and Guava flowers, Victoria's Secret. I love it so much, and it's good just for this time of year, warm. It's good for warm autumn. I like this weather. It's still warm, but it's not hot anymore, and it's whiff of winter-ish wind, but it's struggling with the summer wind. This kind of feeling is struggling, is, you know, kicking my brain. And this is what soothing me. It's Secret Escape. It's FRESIA and flowers, and to me it's a champagne notes. It's like strawberry and champagne, but I have that strawberry and champagne. This one in the same key. If you ever find it, just try to smell it. I like it. So here is just CAVALLI. It goes any season, but now it became more sweeter. If in summer it was like just lightly sweet, now it's like more in deep version. I love CAVALLI, and I wish I bought them all, especially with the gold bottom, and all of the versions are very nice. I have just a few, and I dream to have the whole collection of Roberto Cavalli. And the final one is actually this inspiration, my blouse. It's like this. Sunflowers is here and here. I sprayed it on my skin. This is Elizabeth Arden. It's unusual by bitterness, but it's what missing you nowadays. A lot of sweet scents at the store, and this is just the opposite. It's totally bitter with a hint of sweet. I like it because it's watermelon here, and they say it's a bitter note of I think it's galbanum, but it doesn't smell like sunflower seeds. No, it's just air in the beginning of autumn. That's how it smells. My favorite time to wear this perfume. So what is my favorite? I don't even know. This is I like for sweetness of FRESIA. This is bitterness of all these bitter notes. I think it's galbanum, I'm not sure. This is sweet. This is honey sweet. And this is flowers, white flowers. What is yours? And drop me a line. All the best for you guys. What is you wearing in the beginning of autumn, fall? Bye for now. I'm your silver butterfly. All the best for you guys. I have to fly somewhere.